How you doing, lovely people from all around the world? I hope so you're keeping well. Today is beautiful day. Check this out, beautiful sunshine, clear sky, no more rain. We are in Nusa Dua after 1 month after G20. So we're gonna make a video from Nusa Dua for you. Maybe you are on holiday somewhere in Nusa Dua. Somebody comment actually, hello from Nusa Dua. So maybe you are somewhere around us. You're enjoying the time. And we are in Melia actually, in particular hotel right now, waiting for our coffee, and then we're gonna show you a little bit surroundings around hotel itself, and we're gonna go to Bali Collection because many of you asking us about how is the situation in Bali Collection, is it open or not? Everything on today's video. In Nusa Dua, especially next to Melia Hotel, and there is a luxury collection by Marriott. They are very nice beach. Also, people here enjoying, they're gonna have a firewood every night. Beach is actually very clean, very wide, and happy to see actually some people around because previously during the last 2 years was very quiet, but today is definitely busier. Definitely happy to see people around, isn't it?
Yeah. So, as you know that last time it was a G20 where I think that the hotels was just like exclusively for the coming from the G20, but now we are here, we just want to chill, we just want to enjoy. Really so happy to see many tourists around us. So many of you have been asking why you name your channel The Monkeys. Why you didn't put like, you know, maybe other YouTuber like, you know, Damian and Winnie, or who just mention our name? Because yeah, we are the monkeys, we are jumping everywhere, and you never know where we go next time.
Guys, in case if you're asking me about the development of the Pirates Bay and the promenade, what was destroyed for the last 2 years, they are still making it. Seems like not much really actually has changed. Still the construction is there. Even G20 was here, they didn't make it before, so still keep it in mind as it's not finished. I don't even know if we can go actually there, but the construction is like that, is stay digging. But in case if you ask if it's loud inside the hotel, we couldn't hear anything, so don't you worry about that. Alright guys, so some of you may like Nusa Dua, some of you may don't like it because some of you will say it's only some expensive resorts, there is no Bali vibe and etc. Exactly the same is with other areas of Bali. If I go to Canggu, some of you love Canggu, some of you said I hate Canggu, and with Kuta will be exactly the same. I hate Kuta, and somebody will say I love Kuta. This is Bali. Bali have so much to do, to see, everywhere is different, and it's like practically not possible to make a video which is 100% make everyone's happy, right? It's almost not possible.
Bali is to chatter everyone. So everyone has their own part of Bali that they like best.
Okay, now let's go to Bali Collection. Let's see if you guys like it. Sayang, what did you wrote to the Santa Claus for the present this year lah?
Oh, I wrote that may everybody are happy, not hateful, be kind to each other.
Oh, very beautiful wishes. I hope so Santa gonna make it lah. A beautiful place.
The good thing is that the Bali Collection is open, but not all shops are open. And some of the plot actually, they are brand new restaurant that I have never seen before. So today we also take you to stroll around how is Bali Collection. For those of you who used to stay in Nusa Dua and who used to shop in Bali Collection, this is for you.
So this restaurant is actually a brand new Indian restaurant, and they have even some promotions here like whoa, what's going on?
Butter chicken and naan is very nice, honey.
Honey, you're trying to speak Indian? Practicing before India.
Nice.
Very nice, actually I like the decor, and we're gonna show you a little bit what's going on here in Bali Collection. Definitely some restaurants are open again. Actually many of them, they are new. Of course, so many buildings like this one are still closed. Some shops are here. This is something totally new what we see actually right now, but not so many people actually walking around. Unfortunately, not yet. This looks like a new boutique or delivery shop. Actually, very nice, I like it. I like as some new businesses come here and they make a nice looking place, but I don't know, I still have a mixed feelings about this one because kind of quiet guys.
Honey, look, this is I think the brand new chocolate shop in Nusa Dua. Less drama, more chocolate. Less drama, no hateful. Enjoy our videos.
Ah, very nice, very nice. That should
We
be
have
our
to stay positive, you know.
positive vibes only.
Look, some restaurants are opening, darling.
And even have some guests inside, sayang.
Wow, so it means like positive things. We have to stay positive.
And maybe even they have a happy hours lah.
Yeah.
And maybe there will be the new food truck. Actually, this is something new. There will be like a food truck or something. And yeah, and we forget about this. So this is just the taking renovation lah. Only taking renovation here, huh?
Yes.
There will be more beautiful places, isn't it?
Yeah.
Exactly.
So, honey, behind me another new restaurant as well. So it means that, guys, if you come to Nusa Dua nowadays and if you want to go to Bali Collection, open. But yeah, stay positive, yeah, honey, yeah.
Yeah, this is the island jewels. So you can buy interesting jewelry here. And dresses, beautiful dresses actually. So this is a little bit like in the Vietnam, in Hanoi, they have it like a cycle rickshaw or something like that.
It's beca.
What?
Beca in
Okay.
Indonesian.
Yeah. I mean, in Asia in general, they should have it. This is some new places here with some people inside, very nice. And here people look, actually it's really not that bad. Yo, what's up? How you doing? Take care. We even met our fans here having dinner. Happy days, happy days. I'm so happy. Do I say something like it's not happy? Everyone's happy today. This is the Sogo department store. This is like an Indonesian brand, and some of your favorite coffee shop here is open again. Actually, this was closed last time. So happy days, positive. And Cold Stone ice cream also is open here. Happy days. And this one, no, we're gonna cut this off from the video. It's nothing to show. I'll focus on this side of the mall.
Well, basically that most of the all restaurant here is a brand new restaurant. So it means that they really put money here in a Bali Collection.
Also, I'm gonna tell you the prices in the new restaurants in Bali Collection. They are not that expensive. They have a pretty affordable meals here. And the prices,
Look.
because this place used to be actually very expensive long time ago.
Look, even this one, nasi goreng 77K, like last time when we were in the Jungle Club, the food price there is more pricey and the tax also more pricey. Here's only 15% tax.
And look at this beautiful decor. Oh, this is more like a Western style. This guy said steaks, pizza, everything is here. And check this out, it's busy again. Unbelievable. Are you happy, my friend? And it's busy again?
Yes,
Very good, yeah.
Will be better soon.
It will be better. Always good vibes. Stay positive, okay? Bali in Bali, arts and crafts. So you can buy your merchandises here.
The video from Nusa Dua. Now I make a closing, ya, nih.
Yeah, okay, make a closing. Very nice,
Thanks
please.
for watching and see you tomorrow.
And subscribe and all of the stuff, sayang.
Okay.
Yeah, and comments.
Yes, bye.